Sabi, we are ready to go. So I got my bucket. So we're going to use this one when we collect the shell, and so that we can put the shell in here with the salt water. Hi! We are on our way to Clifton Beach to collect some pipis, which is a shellfish. It's a small, it's a small shell, but it's quite tasty. So I'm gonna cook it for dinner tonight with sausages. Yeah, forget about that. I didn't check the tide. Hopefully it's high tide or even halfway would be enough to collect the pipis. So we will see when we get there. There's few people in here. We're just gonna stop alongside the road. This one is it's a little shop. No, maybe we just come back. Yeah, so that is a self-serve banana little store. So that's a banana stall, and it's an honesty stall. So people just go there and get how many bananas they want. You just put your banana onto the scale, and then you pay $1.50 a kilo. Yeah, and then they have a container in there. You put your coins. Yeah, and that's it.
Harvesting sugarcane.
Yeah, they're harvesting the sugarcane. Sabi, look, there's a lot of birds in there. Probably looking for some mice. Trying to park the car under the 83. So here we are, we arrived.
And the tide looks like it should be okay.
Yeah, hopefully. Bili ka? Alright.
Go pee-pee.
I just grab you. Do you want your water bottle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, no.
Okay.
When we
Just
come
drink
back,
some
I'll
water.
Yeah.
No. I'm just gonna drink some water.
You want the
Sorry?
you want the mat?
Yeah. We're not staying that long, right?
I don't know, you're making the rules.
Really?
Really? Yeah, you said we're not staying that long, and then you say to me, oh, we're not staying that long?
Do you wanna just maybe put the mat?
Yeah.
Do you wanna just put the mat in here? Oh, here's Abby. Looks nice here. Do you wanna sort that one out? I'll just gonna go and have a look at some. You should have went with Paxi.
Yeah, but I don't want to go alone.
get some in. I'll be back.
What are you collecting, rocks?
No. Look at this
You
one.
really got to boil them for a long time before you can eat them.
This one? What's wrong with you? It's like purple. Oh, look at this one.
Ah, pretty.
Yeah.
Like your shirt.
Pretty.
Same colour. Tastes yummy.
There's some big ones.
There's a mob of Filipino women up there.
Right there.
It's going down to your mama. Bye.
Hi.
How's the Pippi Queen?
I've quite a few.
Uh-huh.
Yep, there's enough there for
Dinner? Yeah.
there's enough there for dinner tonight.
Uh-huh.
Yep. I'm just gonna empty the water and then get fresh one.
Fresh water.
Yeah, I just gotta change the water because it got some sand underneath
Uh-huh.
the bottom.
Uh-huh.
So yeah. See?
Oh, like a giant one under my foot. Oh my God, it's huge. Oh, it's a rock. Okay.
Oh here.
So why do you put all that water in there?
So that when we get home, the pipis, they will spit out the sand out of their system,
Yep.
and so that you don't chewing sand while you're
So you-
enjoying your meal.
So we got to leave them overnight.
Oh, no, I'm cooking it tonight.
Oh, it's going to be chewy. It's going to be sandy.
No, it should be enough.
A couple of hours.
Yeah.
We usually leave it overnight.
No, I don't want to leave them overnight. They might die.
Uh-huh. Yeah, before we lived on a yacht and we could put fresh seawater in.
That's
We
right.
can't put fresh seawater in, and you can't use fresh water because they will die. They need salt water.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're heading home.
Home sweet home.
Yeah, those were Filipino.
The council provides water along the beach so you can wash your feet, wash yourself off, and yeah, they're thinking about the animals too, because it's got a little tray in the bottom for dogs to have a drink. A lot of people like to walk their dogs along the beach. So, and also the council concrete a long walking track along the beach. You can ride your push bikes and skateboards and along the beach. Keep fit. Small coconut. Mm.
You pretend I'm climbing. You go there. No, you go there so that it looks like I'm climbing.
Oh my God, you climbed up the coconut tree. Let go and fall.
Oh no,
Let
this
go.
is so hard.
Let go.
I'm gonna die.
How did you climb up so high?
Oh, me too.
Oh my God, they're all up
my
the
God.
coconut tree. Right on the beach.
No, I'm good. Me too. So we're heading back to town. So in this vlog, I have to make 2 videos. First would be trip to the beach, and I don't know what I'm gonna name it. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. So collecting. Second one would be cooking my pipis. Not my pipis. The pipis.
My pipi.
My pipis.
My pipis.
Cooking the pipis, which is shellfish, or we call it kinason. I don't know if it's a kinason in my language. It's a shell. Yeah, I think it's a kinason or bornai. Yeah, that's right. It's a bornai. So I'm gonna cook it for dinner tonight. That would be the second vlog, is how to cook it with a pork sausage.